Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to block the messages from a specific friend on Facebook. Click on Messenger tab in left column. In search bar, please type the name of your friend and select the name from the list. Then it will show all the communication between us. Let's send a message. Similarly, enter the reply from that person. Come to the friend in chats. Here we got the message. Let's reply to this. Like this in Facebook, we can send and receive messages to and from our friends. Suppose if you want to stop the messages from a specific friend only, but not everyone in our friend list, we can block the messages from only that person. For this, just follow the steps showing in this tutorial. Click on privacy and support, scroll down, and from the options select to block messages, and we will get a confirmation window stating that stop getting messages and calls from Gopanna in Messenger. If you want, you can also block Gopanna on Facebook. Here I want to block only the messages, so if you are agree with this, simply click on block messages, and below we got unblock now. That means we have successfully blocked this user. Again, let's try to send a message from this user, and let's check for the message, and here we won't receive messages from that user. Again, to unblock them, simply click on unblock now. One thing remember, that if we unblock them, we won't receive anything that may have been sent during the block, but if the blocked person and we are in same shared group, we will be able to see messages from each other unless we leave that group. Also in Facebook, without blocking the user, if you want to ignore the messages from only the person, again come to privacy and support. From the options, please select to ignore messages, and we got a confirmation window with some notification. Ignore this conversation. You won't be notified when Gopanna messages you directly, and the conversation will move to filtered messages. We won't tell Gopanna that the messages have been ignored. If you are okay with this, simply click on ignore messages. Like this, we can block the messages from a specific friend on Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.